There's a lot of stuff coming out now with the new air conditioners. We can control them via an app, which means that you can switch that unit on remotely. Also, we can integrate the air conditioning into the solar system. So as a total package, it's automated. When the solar is producing, we can turn the air conditioner on. With smart homes and the like, everyone will be going that way, so it makes sense to have it all automated. With the solar and the air conditioning, having the solar there to offset the air conditioning loads during the day will really help their energy consumption, being the highest consumption appliance. Well, a new inverter air conditioner will reduce your energy costs of about 30% from an existing non-inverter 10-year-old air conditioner, so about 30% less running costs. The energy efficiency, if you're not maintaining it correctly and not, you don't have a high quality and new, especially R32 refrigerant, high efficiency compressors, the older units are definitely costing you more money to run, and the chances of them breaking down when you really need it is very high. 40-degree day and then you're stuck. The better the ER ratio or the star ratings on the units, the less power they're going to use. So using a high quality, high efficient air conditioner is going to help reduce their energy costs.